Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So, today you're joining us for a full deep dive into one of the Bangkok's most famous and luxurious 5-star hotel. So, we are at Lebua at State Tower. So, get ready to experience breathtaking views, a stay worth remembering, and tips on making most of the time here in Bangkok. This hotel was also starred in Hangover 2 movie. So our Lebua experience begins right at the entrance. The iconic archway, grand lobby, and a seriously warm welcome by the staff. So the entire check-in process is smooth and you can instantly sense the luxury details all around. So Lebua Suite City View starts from 11,500, then River View 12,500, and Tower Club Suite is somewhere around 14,000 per night. So this place is also famous for legendary sky bars and restaurants. So let's get you the room tour. So we booked a Lebua suite with river view. So this is the entrance. Then we have a sofa here. The kitchen is also fully equipped, like you've got everything, coffees and everything. The bathroom is too big with bathtub. There's some space for your clothes and belongings. There's a locker also. There's this microwave and fridge. Now this is the bedroom. So it's huge. The bed is also huge. And the best part, we have a balcony. So we were somewhere around at 51st floor. And the best part is the pier is also nearby. So you can just walk for like 10 minutes and you can be at the pier. Now let's check out the breakfast menu. So we have fruits here. All type of fruits which is actually good, like mangosteen, logan. This we don't find in India, but now in India also we find this logan, but mangosteen I haven't seen it. There's all types of cheese. Then this is a live pancake counter. So we have got different types of breads. Then you can ask for eggs also, like omelets, anything in eggs. So we have got fresh juices, and this was something unique. Like, this was Vietnamese some dish, noodle soup. This was good. We have tried it and it's really nice. So whatever you eat, like pork, chicken, beef, anything, you can just ask them to add it into your soup. So this was the live station. So there are salad sections and Lebanese corner also, like pita, hummus. So you've got everything. Like this 5-star, you have got all the cuisines all over the world. So there's sushi, so everything in Japanese, like sushi and maki rolls, everything you can eat. Now this one was my favorite, the som tam, which is a little bit spicy. So make sure whenever you ask for som tam, ask them less spicy. So they add peanuts and then some lemon. This is papaya. Different types of curries like chicken, fish, mutton also. So different fragrant rices were there, and there was this live counter of barbecue. So yes, finally it's done, and the breakfast here was too good. Now this is the pool area of our hotel. Quite good. pool is with all stunning views. There's this gym also on the same floor. Step outside and you hit the heart of Bangkok. The area is buzzing with local vendors, tuk-tuks, food stalls, and busy city energy. It's the perfect place for exploring both the luxurious and local sites of Bangkok. So that's everything you need to know about Lebua State Tower experience, from sky high luxury to local adventures right outside. So if you've enjoyed this virtual tour, hit like, let us know your questions or travel stories in the comments, and subscribe for more amazing travel content. So see you in the next vlog.